Hello children, a very pleasant morning to you all. So we were discussing the chapter acids, bases and salts. In the last class we learned what are acids, what are the characteristics of acids, what are different types of acids, etc. Also we learned what are bases, what are the basic characteristics of bases and some examples of bases also, right? So today we are going to learn about indicators, right? Okay, so here suppose you are provided with a acid and also a base in two different test tubes. We know that acids and bases are colorless solutions, right? Suppose your teacher or someone else is asking you to identify which one is acid and which one is base. So we need to test that one using a different substance, right? Such a substance which is used to test to know whether a given substance is acid or base is called indicator. Okay? How can we understand by using an indicator? Indicators will show different colors in different medium. That is, in acid it will show one color and in base it will show another color. Okay? Now we are going to learn in detail. Now based on the origin, indicators are classified into two different types: natural indicators and synthetic indicators. Natural indicators means the indicators that we obtained from nature. Okay, so the first one is turmeric. Okay, turmeric powder or turmeric, simply turmeric is a very good natural indicator. Okay, when a turmeric stain or a curry stain, curry contains turmeric, right? Curry stain occurs on our dress, we know that it will show yellow in color. But when we wash it with detergent or soap, maybe you have observed that yellow stain will turn into red color. The reason is soap and detergents contain bases. Okay, so in basic medium or in base, in presence of base, turmeric will change into red color. Okay, and if you test with an acid, turmeric will not show any color change, it will remain as yellow itself. Therefore turmeric is a natural indicator. Hope you understood. So turmeric is a natural indicator which show red color in presence of a base and yellow color itself in the presence of an acid. Alright, so let's see what are other natural indicators. The second important natural indicator is litmus. Okay, see here two different types of litmus are there: blue litmus and red litmus. Okay, litmus are available in the form of papers and also in the form of solutions. Okay, now litmus are extracted from a plant which is called lichens. Okay, this is lichens, you can see in the picture. Alright, now how to test an acid and a base using a litmus? Okay, see here, if you dip a red litmus paper in an acid, okay, no color change will be observed. Okay, but if you dip red litmus paper in a base, red will change into blue. Okay, here in the picture, see the first picture, red litmus paper turned into blue color. Okay, now if you take blue litmus paper and test with an acid, blue will change into red color, you can see here. Okay, and in a base no color change. That means, in short I will tell you, If you dip a red litmus paper in a base, it will change into blue. Okay, that means base and blue. In base, the litmus will show only blue color. Okay, B and B, base, blue. And in acid, acids are very dangerous. What is the color in which indicates danger? Red, right? So remember, if you take red litmus or blue litmus, and if you dip that one in an acid, it will show only red color. So in an acid, whether the litmus paper is red or blue, it will show only red color. Is that clear to you? Okay. Now we will move to the next one. See one more example. I have one more picture I have included here. See here. In acidic solution, blue litmus, okay, is changing into red. While dipping, you can see. So acid, red color, okay. Then in base, if you dip a red color litmus paper, it will turn into blue. Base and blue, okay. Alright children, here I have prepared one table for you, which is a homework. So here what you have to do is, a lot of substances are given here, okay. So you have to find out what is the effect of the substance, each substance with red litmus and also on blue litmus, and based on these results you have to prepare the inference. Inference means whether it is an acid, base or a neutral substance. So I will give you some clues about the substances. First one is lemon juice. Lemon contains citric acid, therefore lemon juice is acidic in nature, okay. Now tap water. Normally water is neutral. What is neutral substance? The substances which are neither acidic nor basic are called neutral. So water is a neutral substance, okay. So write down detergent solution. Detergent, soap, shampoo, etc. they contain bases, okay, like bases like sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide, etc. So they are bases, okay. Now the next one is aerated drink. Aerated drink means Pepsi, cola, soda, etc. Actually what are they? Carbon dioxide dissolved in water under high pressure, right? When carbon dioxide dissolves in water, it will give us carbonic acid. So aerated drinks are acidic in nature, okay. Then soap solution, shampoo we already discussed. Common salt solution and sugar solution. Okay, common salt and sugar are neutral in nature. They will not show any color change, okay. Common salt and sugar are neutral substances. Vinegar. Vinegar is acetic acid. So it is an acid, right? Baking soda is a mild base. Okay, milk of magnesia. What is milk of magnesia? Actually, maybe you have noticed that when we have acidity in our stomach, we are taking a white color, sometimes pink color medicine, okay, like Gelusil for example. So which is a base actually. That is called milk of magnesia. Milk of magnesia is the common name for magnesium hydroxide. So in that medicine, magnesium hydroxide is there, which is a base, okay. Washing soda is sodium carbonate, which is basic in nature. Then lime water means not lemon juice. Lemon juice and lime water are different. Lime water is a base. It is calcium hydroxide, okay. Now I have given the clues about all the substances. So based on that one, you have to write what is the color change shown on red litmus and also on blue litmus, and also write the inference, acidic, basic, neutral, etc. Hope you understood very clearly. Okay. Now, some more examples of natural indicators have shown here. Petunia. Petunia means a flower. Okay. So the extract of that flower petals are used for identifying acids and bases. Or China rose, normally we call it as hibiscus flower. Okay. Also red cabbage extract, which is also a very good natural indicator. So one more example is shown here. For example, if you take China rose, okay, so this is the color of the indicator prepared, light pink color from China rose, okay. Now when this indicator is added into an acid, you can see it became orange in color, reddish orange in color, and in a base it will show light green color. Alright, so that means indicator will show different colors in different media. Okay. Now synthetic indicators or artificial indicators or man-made indicators. Mainly two examples we are learning. Number one, phenolphthalein. Phenolphthalein. Okay. See here the picture of phenolphthalein is shown, which is a colorless liquid like water, isn't it? So this is an indicator. See here, what is the color of phenolphthalein indicator in acidic and in basic media? So when we add 1 or 2 drops of phenolphthalein in a base, alkali means base, right? It will turn into pink color. The alkali will turn into pink color. When we add 1 drop of phenolphthalein indicator into acid, no color change will be shown. Okay, it will remain as, the acid will remain as colorless itself. Is it clear to you? Okay. Now the second example of synthetic indicator is methyl orange. Okay, as the name indicates, the color of methyl orange is orange color itself. Now let's see what is the color of methyl orange shown in acidic medium and also in basic medium. See here. This is methyl orange, orange color indicator. So when you add methyl orange into an acid, it will show red color. It will turn into red color. And when you add methyl orange indicator into an alkali or a base, which will turn into yellow color. So while adding methyl orange into a colorless solution, turns into yellow color, we can identify that is a base. Okay. On the other hand, if you add methyl orange into a colorless liquid and if it turns red color, so we can identify or we can confirm that it is an acid. Hope which is very clear to you. So that much only. We will continue in the coming class with neutralization reaction of acid and base. Okay. Thank you and have a nice day.